What's up, everybody? It's your boy Corey, KGQ Saint, back from the reaction video. It was titled Black Widow versus Black Canary from Bat and the Sun Superpower Beatdown, Marvel versus DC. Yeah, this fight should be lit. Both of them are expert fighters. I would say Black Widow, she's definitely more sad because she actually kills Black Canary. She doesn't try to kill. So who knows who's going to lead to, who's going to apprehend no Black Canary. She has that superpower. But Black Widow, she has more gadget for us. I think she is a slightly more deadlier fighter than Black Canary. So who knows? Me personally, I'm a Marvel guy. I got root for Black Widow. I had to root for Black Widow. Once again, let's go on dive onto the video. I don't want to talk too long. Sorry about that. Once again, if you have any special questions, drop a comment below what you want me to react to. Let's go and get it. Black Widow versus Black Canary.
Ты неплохо играешь карты.
Ты даже себе не представляешь.
Yeah,
Так,
Black
где
Widow
мы
is
остановились?
vicious.
Но ты нес какую-то чушь. А я делала вид, что мне интересно. Ваша карта бита.
Some strange reason I always got like a thing for fine people that can handle themselves in like martial arts. That's a huge turn on for me. Don't know why. It's always has been.
Okay, Dinah. The target is on the 4th floor.
Oh, she's gonna be Oracle. Also, you know what Oracle is. She was Batgirl.
She's
before
moving
she got
southwest
crippled.
towards the
Shot her
elevators.
spine.
Jarvis, I've
Right.
acquired the asset.
Very good. You have a target tracking you on the adjacent hallway.
She's in the stairwell. I just lost eyes on her.
Yeah, she's smart.
Come on, Dinah.
Surprise.
Oh my gosh, she's that. Well, that was dope.
Dinah! Dinah!
Okay, so draw, both dead. Oh, yeah, Black Widow. She has enhanced endurance. Oh, yeah, she is a much better strategist.
Да пошла ты.
I'm Aaron, the director.
I'm Tatiana. I played Black Widow.
And
Beautiful. That fight was pretty great. It was good. I know. I just want to say, point out, Death Out did Nightwing versus Daredevil in real life death battle. I kind of want them to do that again because that was pretty good. I actually enjoyed that one. I forgot what YouTube channel they hired to do it, but they should go ahead and reach out to whoever to see they can make another fight like that again. I just throwing it out there. That will be pretty cool. Once again, I'm glad Team Marvel, baby. No spread. I like DC. Just now, once again, I just always been more of a Marvel guy. Once again, if you have any special requests for me to react to a certain video, drop a comment below. Let me know what you react to. Give your boy a like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day. Peace.